Hi guys, Mark here from HarwellXPS. Sorry it's been a little bit of time since we've released any new content for the YouTube channel. We've been working hard on getting the renewal process for HarwellXPS for the next 5-year cycle of the UK's national facility for XPS. Very pleased to say that we were successful. We will be operating the national service in the UK for XPS for the next 5 years, and hopefully this now means we can return to putting out some content on the YouTube channel on a more regular basis, so do keep an eye out for that. Some of you may notice we've got a few more friends on the top banner, and so the University of Manchester is going to be more of a full-time partner now, utilising their capabilities in near ambient pressure XPS as well as HarwellXPS, and offering access to a high throughput XPS for those based in the north of the UK that would like to travel to site. May find it a bit easier to get to Manchester. We're also welcoming the BO7 beamline at Diamond Light Source, as well as the University of Aberystwyth, both of which offer other routes to near ambient pressure XPS. If you head to our website, HarwellXPS.uk, you'll find updated links, guides, etc. to the service and what kind of facilities each part of the service offers, how to find access routes to experimental time, find the experiments you need, and get in touch with the right facilities to make your application process as smooth as possible. There's one thing I do want to go over today as well. We will be running an intensive thematic workshop for XPS next year in South Wales. So this is going to be just outside of Cardiff. This is a continuation of a series that was run by CNRS in France. A really fantastic series from them, covering lots of beginners and advanced XPS streams. That's no longer going to be running in France, so we will be continuing this and working with the previous organisers of that to ensure that this remains as high quality as it was when it was operated out of the CNRS. So this is going to be from the 9th to the 13th of September 2024, but you will be able to arrive a day early to get settled in. We'll be covering all sorts of things to do with XPS, such as fundamental theory, advanced CASA functions, principal component analysis, sample preparation, up to things like multi-technique analysis, learning how things like reals and ISS and UPS can really complement your XPS analysis. You'll be given an XPS handbook. So I've actually got a copy of the handbook from the previous iteration of this series. So this was in Le Croisic last September. Really fantastic event, lovely location. It's a great book. It's got loads of resources, how-to guides, help tips and everything. So we'll be including one of these as well as the digital version with resources such as software, videos, tutorials, example data sets to really get yourself stuck into and get learning how to really process XPS to a very high quality. There'll also be networking opportunities with XPS experts from all around the world. So look at some of the tutors that will be coming along. Mark Biesinger from Surface Science Western in British Columbia, Vincent Fernandez from CNRS, Neil Fairley from CASA XPS, and then Emily Smith from the University of Nottingham, as well as the HarwellXPS team. So the early bird pricing is available until the end of next month as this video goes out. After that the prices will increase. Places have been going pretty fast, so if you are interested, please do register now. I'll stick the links to registration in the description of this video, as well as a link to the HarwellXPS enquiries email in case you have any other questions about this content. It should be a really fantastic workshop. I'm looking forward to it a lot. And hopefully some of you will find this interesting and want to register and come along to see the workshop in progress and meet the HarwellXPS team. There will be opportunities as well for posters if you are early career, such PhDs, early career postdocs, and there'll be a poster session. So you feel free to bring along some of your work, talk about that with some of the experts from around the world. I really hope some of you find that interesting and want to come along. If you do, it'd be great to see you there in South Wales next year. And do look out for more content coming out from the HarwellXPS YouTube channel. As I say, hopefully this should increase over the coming months. Thank you, and we'll speak to you soon.